This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to adjust the image transparency for an image in Google Docs. So right here in Google Docs, got this random kind of demo project open right here. This is just some random text online and an image from Unsplash. So we will click the image. So we're going to adjust the transparency in different ways. We have clicked the image, and then down here you see the three dots for image options. Click that, and then at the bottom we have all image options. So click that. We'll have a sidebar will now open here for the image options, and then we're going to click this drop down for adjustments. So once we've clicked adjustments, we have opacity, we have brightness and contrast. So opacity is the one that we want in order to adjust the transparency of this image. See the percentage here, you can change this dial, so you can go in increments like this, granular, or you could just drag the whole thing and place it, so that's about 50% right there. And you immediately see that the image opacity changes. We've made it more and more transparent the more that we've come down. So if you come to sort of 8%, it's almost completely transparent. If you go right up to, jack it up to 100%, obviously it's original state right there. So if you just want it maybe incrementally, so we come to sort of 70%, and that makes it a little bit more transparent. But that is how you will actually change the transparency or the opacity of an image in Google Docs. You will click on the three dots here when the image is highlighted, click all image options, and then in the adjustment section you will change the opacity. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.